Hello guys, welcome back to Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix error this can't PC run on Windows 11 and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So I'll be providing a ISO link to download the Windows 11 on your PC, and right now when I'm trying to install after doing the mounting, I'm having an issue on installing this and how I can completely fix this up. So a simple solution is there which you just have to follow. As you can see that I have downloaded the ISO file and I'm all set to install with clicking on the setup, but I'm having the issue and how I can fix this up. So now as you can see that I have downloaded this over here in this PC on the local disk G, and now what I have to do is I just have to open this PC once again, and I have to go for maybe local disk F, and I have to create a folder here, and I have to create a folder, and I have to type Windows 11. Okay, once after that I have to go back to the file where I have downloaded, and now what I have to do is just have to copy paste this all things and I have to paste over here in the Windows 11 new folder, and you just have to do a normal pasting. This is what you have to do, and once after it has been successfully done, what you have to do is just have to download an alternative file. So I'll be providing link in the description for both ISO file to download for your Windows PC in order to install it, and also I'll be providing a link in the description where you can download this file named apprises.d2 where you can download this. I'll be providing a link in the description of the mega where you don't have to worry, which is around 13 KB, and once after installing I'll be giving you the next instruction. So, and also in between you just have to wait for the files to get copied on the new folder, and let's wait for it. So guys, now we have successfully copied this, and now I mentioned about downloading a file over here on the mega, which I'll be providing a link in the description. So I have already downloaded this. So what you have to do is you just have to go back to the your newly copied folder of Windows. You just have to go to that. So, and also in between what you have to do is just have to go to downloads. As you can see that now what you have to do is just have to extract files here. You just have to extract here, and now what you have to do is you just have to copy this, okay, and you just have to go back to this PC and on the local disk F where we have installed this, and you have to select sources. Okay, we have to open sources, and what you have to do is just have to paste it. Okay, you just have to paste it, and as you can see that this will be done over here. And once after this has been done, you just have to go back and click on this PC and with the folder once again, and there is an option called setup, right? You just have to right click on this, and you just have to continue further hereafter. So this is what you have to do in order to fix the issue up, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.